Let's make a collage on your Instagram story. Now, Instagram has the ability to make a collage, either photos or videos that you can add in there. It's a really cool feature. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let me show you how to do that. Let's hop into Instagram. I'm going to swipe to the right here. And you can see layout at the middle left here. So I can tap on that, and that is their version of a collage. So I can hit change grid if I wanted to have a different layout. Let's choose this layout. And now you can either record videos or take photos if you want to. And you can also upload videos from your camera gallery. So let's tap on the gallery at the bottom left here. And I am going to choose this photo and use this photo as my first photo on here. And then on the second one, I'm just going to record a quick video here or take a photo. And then the third one, I'm going to upload another photo. So you can see now that I've created that collage here, I can hit OK. And then I can add any kind of music, songs, any tags, tag people, text, any of those things, and then publish this as my story. Now, keep in mind, this doesn't allow you to do photos and videos at the same time. And if you want to do videos, it's probably best to go into a video editor like InShot is a really good one that allows you to make videos in a collage like this that you can post. But otherwise, you just hit next at the bottom right, and you can share this to your story. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.